How to change your alarm sound on Android. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your alarm sound on Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your phone's clock app. Now here on the three dots on the upper right corner, click that. Then click settings. Now here, click the alarm ringtone. Now you can choose whichever ringtone you want. So you can choose from local ringtone or you can choose from pre-installed ringtones. And you can also download some. So right now, let's try the pre-installed ringtones. And just press here whichever ringtone you would like to apply. And then press apply. Then just select this ringtone. And it's already applied successfully. So I hope that you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Thanks!